Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Poshmark. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Poshmark. Now if you don't have an account, you can use the continue with Facebook, Google or Apple buttons or sign up with your email. But in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be asked to enter your username and your password. Go ahead and type in your username followed by your password and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your account with Poshmark. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.